How much does YouTube pay for 1,000 views? The YouTubers at the top of this mountain earn the most. Let's see. YouTube pays $1. I just answered the question right now. Now you don't have to watch the video, but there's more to it than that. $1 is like the usual amount, but there are YouTubers out there that are getting disgusting money. It's absolutely disgusting. CPM is how much YouTube pays. It's called cost per mil or cost per thousand. It's French or something. But RPM is how much you get from that. They take away roughly 55%. So the part that you are left with is RPM, and that is like half. So if you get $1, you get 50 cents. In this video, I'm going to go through a bunch of YouTubers and explain how much they are getting for their views and how much they are earning per month and per year. We are going to the top. You're not going to believe the ones that are at the second highest and highest parts of the mountain. They are amazing. They are getting so much money from their 1,000 views. From every 1,000 views they get, their CPM is outrageous. It is incredible. Each of these YouTubers is unique, and they can provide some kind of value perspective for you because you can learn something from all of them. But first, I need to tell you about something that I saw on Reddit the other day. There was a story on Reddit. I still can't find it now for the life of me. If I do find it again, I'll put it in the description. Tell you about a YouTuber who is from Ukraine, and he's complaining about how low his earnings are on YouTube compared to other YouTubers. He was making a lot of videos, getting a lot of views, but his revenue was low. So revenue depends on so many factors. It depends on the age of the viewers. It depends on how much they watch in the video. It depends on how many ads you have in the video. Most importantly, it depends on the niche of your video. If your videos are about gaming or entertainment or pranks or something like that, then your CPM is going to be around $1, maybe $2, maybe $1.50, maybe $2, but sometimes it might even be less than that. So do not, I repeat, do not ignore the niche. Choose your topic or your niche very, very carefully. I'll give you a moment to subscribe if you're finding value from this video. Go on, click the red button right there. You know you want to. Are you done? You subscribed? Okay, let's carry on with the video. It's really discouraging when you put all that effort into making videos for months and years and then you don't really earn as much. There are some videos that get more CPM than this. Those are videos if you are targeting games that are for more adults. They are designed for adults to play, so those might get a bit more than $1 or $2. You might get $3 per 1,000 views. The YouTubers that are getting the most, they are in finance and affiliate marketing and make money online. Those niches get disgusting CPM. You're talking about $3 and $2 in the gaming niche. These guys are getting above $40. Passive income videos, investing videos, above 100. I've seen a video, some YouTubers are getting $100 CPM on their videos. So that means they are getting like $50 for every 1,000 views. So you can do the math. That means that if they get 1 million views on the video, they are getting $50,000 for 1 million views. So you can do your gaming niche if you want. You can do your gaming channel, but don't be surprised when you get low CPM. Hey, who said that? Kidding. You can still do your gaming channel. I will always encourage you to do what you enjoy, but if you're going to do a low CPM niche like that, you need to do a lot of videos. Do more videos, do more ads in your videos, but maybe not too many ads, but yeah, you know what I mean. You need to upload more. I've been studying YouTube and how to get big on YouTube for a long time, and that's what I do on this channel. I explain this. In just 3 or 4 months, you could get monetized, you could get big. So follow my tips in this Tube Hustle video right here to get that sweet high CPM. Journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. No pain, no gain. You have to push yourself, but I believe you can do this quickly. Okay, let's start at the bottom of the mountain. The first one I'm going to go through is Cocomelon Kids channel, and they do like kids songs and stuff. So they're getting a lot of views. I mean a lot. But their ad revenue is not going to be that high because they are targeting kids, talking like toddlers even. So advertisers are not going to pay a high CPM for that niche, but they still get a lot of views. Okay, next up on the mountain. Okay, next up we have Eric, who is a bigger YouTuber who does challenge videos and a bit of prank. He does like challenge videos and crazy stuff, kind of like Mr. Beast. So his videos get watched by teenagers and kids. So his CPM is going to be a bit higher. He gets less views than Cocomelon, but he still gets quite a lot. And in one video, he mentioned that he gets around $60,000 per month. That could be from ad revenue. It's not very clear. He hasn't disclosed that. Okay, next up is another big YouTuber called Catherine Manning. She does videos on how to blog, how to grow on Pinterest, how to grow on YouTube, all of those online business. She's in the online business niche. Her video on how to start a YouTube channel got $29. Okay, so 400 divided by 29. So she's getting $13 per 1,000 views, which is not bad for that video. But look at her other video, how to get started with affiliate marketing, $96. So she's getting about $18 RPM for that. She's getting $29 CPM for the how to start a YouTube channel video. But this video on affiliate marketing, which is a high paying niche, which is up there, like make money online, finance, real estate, investing, getting $96 CPM. This is what I was talking about. If you choose the right niche, you can expect CPMs like this. You don't even need that many views. You can literally get a few 100,000 views a month, and that will give you so much revenue that you can even quit your 9 to 5. You can generate a side hustle, a really good source of passive income, and you can achieve financial independence. Bunch of YouTube channels that are generating high revenue. Maybe I should start a channel about affiliate marketing. Don't get any ideas, that's my idea, alright? Or maybe I should start a channel about credit cards. That might be quite good as well. Maybe I should start a finance channel. Okay, you're getting ideas now. I hope this video is helping you. The next one is Roberto Blake, who makes videos on editing and YouTube. He made a couple videos on different niches. This video is about how to get 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, and he got 364,000 views, and he made $2,500 from there. So if we do the math, 2,556 divided by 364, okay, $7 CPM. But on his other video, he got 133,000 views and he made $3,000. Less views on the other video, but he actually made more because the CPM is high. Check how high the CPM is. Let's do the math. 3,028 divided by 133k CPM. Passive income is a good keyword. That niche will give you a high CPM because it's related to make money online and finance and all of that. Okay, do you know who is next on the top of the list? There are probably some that are up there with him, but right now we're going to talk about the one and only Graham Stephan. First, he started generating $300 per day on his videos, $500 per day. It kept growing. He got to $1,000 per day, and one of his videos actually went viral. All of his other videos to get more views as well. So eventually he got $2,000 per day. Another video popped off, Tesla video or something, and he got $4,000 per day consistently, and that was actually a few years ago. Crazy thing is that this was actually a couple years ago. So now he's getting even more with all of his affiliate income and sponsorship deals. He's making over $5 million a year. That is with his other YouTube channel and everything. So he actually has other investments in real estate as well that he's also getting revenue from. So altogether, he's making a really good source of income. He's become a millionaire from this. He's been doing this for a long time. He has learned so much. So make a channel about credit cards. I'm just kidding. Make a channel about what you enjoy, but you can choose one of these niches. You can get high CPM. Don't just rely on CPM. There are other ways to make money on YouTube, even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers. But there are other ways to make money without having 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you check out this video where I explain that in detail.